JDF soldier charged after ammunition found in his bag. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 30-year-old member of the Jamaica Defense Force JDF has been charged with unauthorized possession of ammunition after 3 rounds of 5.6 caliber ammunition were found in his bag. He is Javon Howard, otherwise known as Jay, a member of the JDF Engineer Regiment and a resident of Portmore, St. Catherine. Reports are that at around 7:30 p.m. on August the 10th, detectives assigned to the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division, armed with a search warrant, conducted an intelligence-driven operation along Hamilton Drive in Gregory Park, St. Catherine. During the operation, a bag belonging to Howard was searched and 3 rounds of 5.6 caliber ammunition were allegedly found. Howard was present at the premises and was arrested on suspicion of an offense. Following a question and answer session, he was charged with unauthorized possession of ammunition. A court date is to be finalized for his appearance. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.